This is my new result from a new type of video on my channel. As you can see, the latest video is getting good views. In the next video, I'll talk about how to create videos like this step by step. Alright, so you've just created a fantastic video and uploaded it to YouTube. Great, right? But wait, there's one crucial thing that a lot of creators miss. You're not sharing that video everywhere it could go. The right way to upload on YouTube is just the start, but to truly grow, you need to get your content onto every platform that your audience is on. Let me show you the secret to making sure your content doesn't just sit on YouTube. Let's maximize your reach. Yes, finally uploaded this amazing 10-minute tutorial to YouTube. It's great, right? I mean, it's packed with value, it's polished, it's perfect for my audience. Wait a second, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, I missed an opportunity. Here I am, working so hard on a video that's only going on YouTube. But when you think about it, what's the point of creating all this content if you can't repurpose it across multiple platforms? I mean, I've put in hours of work, and now I'm stuck. I could be building my brand on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, but instead, I'm just sticking to one platform? That's a huge missed opportunity. But hey, it doesn't have to be this way. Stay tuned because I'm about to show you how you can take that one awesome YouTube video and turn it into multiple viral clips across different platforms, effortlessly. Let's dive in. Okay, now that we know how to repurpose content effectively, there's something even more important to talk about: how you actually upload your videos to maximize views. You might think that once your video is online, the work's done, but how you upload your video can make a huge difference. Let's talk about YouTube first. You want to make sure your title is clear, descriptive, and engaging. Use keywords, but don't make it too spammy. The first 60 characters are crucial, so grab attention quickly. Then, make sure your description is just as powerful. Use the first few lines to really hook viewers and put your keywords right there. Add links, timestamps, and call to actions so viewers know what to do next. On TikTok and Instagram, the key is timing. Post when your audience is most active. And always include a call to action in the caption. Something as simple as, tag a friend who needs to see this, can drive engagement and get your video shared more. Remember, uploading is more than just hitting post. It's about making sure your content reaches the right people at the right time, with the right details to make it stand out in those crowded feeds. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but it's a lot of manual work, right? You'd need hours just to repurpose one video. Well, that's where NexusClips comes in. It uses AI to analyze your long-form videos and automatically picks out the most engaging moments, turning them into short clips in no time. Whether you're on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, NexusClips saves you time and helps you maximize your reach without extra editing effort. Reels. Here's how it works. Upload your video, YouTube, stream, podcast, anything. The AI scans it and finds the best moments. You get short, punchy clips ready to post, all with zero editing needed. No more scrubbing through timelines or hiring editors. NexusClips does the heavy lifting so you can focus on creating and growing. And the best part, it's perfect for faceless creators, because it works no matter what your niche is. Let me show you how to use it step by step, and how I personally use it to speed up my content creation process. Let's jump into NexusClips and see it in action. Let me introduce you to a tool that most streamers and content creators use, but rarely share with others. This tool can accomplish in less than 5 minutes what might otherwise take you hours. It's called NexusClips. This AI-powered tool helps you automatically convert long-form content into high-quality short videos with ease. If you scroll a little, you'll see some examples of videos that explain how this tool works with most types of content. For instance, it supports talking videos, gaming, podcasts, events, tutorials, and more, like my channel. This AI tool identifies the best moments from your video, allowing you to easily generate short clips. It includes features like automatic subtitle generation and customization options for stickers you may want to add to your videos. Additionally, it helps you craft hooks to attract new audiences to watch the full video. For example, if you're a streamer and spend all night live streaming, you might not have time to create short videos to publish on other platforms. The solution is NexusClip. After signing up with your Gmail account, this interface appears here and you'll find two options on the home page: video to clips or edit a clip by uploading it. For example, you can simply choose your video file or paste the URL of your Twitch clip to start editing. As a content creator, I prefer the first option, video to clips. If you're new to this AI tool, you'll first need to connect your YouTube channel or Twitch account to the platform. This step allows the tool to extract videos directly from your account. Once connected, you'll see all the videos uploaded to your channel, both private and public. After completing this setup, you can select the video you want to extract the best clips from. Simply click on it to proceed to the editing step and start converting those moments into short videos. Next, this screen appears, allowing you to write what you want from your video based on your niche. For example, I might write, "I need a clip that talks about how YouTube paid me," as an example. Then click on Generate Moments. We'll wait a little while the AI generates the best moments from the video, presenting them with ratings so you can choose the most suitable one. Before moving on to the editing step, if you have any problems with this site or need more information, you can join their community on Discord. They have over 2,400 members ready to help. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a notification like this. Then, return to your video and click on it. Boom! You'll see the moments generated, each with a rating and a simple title explaining what the clip is about. The number of moments generated depends on the duration of the video. If the video is longer, there will be more moments. If you don't like the suggested moments, you can generate new ones or use the Create Clip button at the top to manually create your clip by cutting a specific moment from your original video. After this step, we proceed with Edit Clip, and this interface appears. As you can see, it focuses on framing. Using these options, you can select the style per scene. For example, 16:9 videos, triple irregular formats, or other styles. For podcasts, there are various layouts available. In this case, we'll go with the upper face cam style. We choose the part of the video we want to edit. For example, cutting the segment that contains a face cam, and position it in the upper part of the frame. Next, we select the second section to clarify what I'm doing and explaining. As you see, I'm trying to place it beneath the facecam video for better organization and presentation. After modifying the scene, we move to the subtitles option. Here, I select English because my video is in English, but you can choose any language that matches your video's language. Then, click Generate Subtitles and wait for them to appear. Once the subtitles are generated, you can change their style and text font. For my video, I'll customize them by changing the background color to yellow. After that, I adjust the placement and size of the captions, ensuring they're easy for viewers to read. Next, we proceed to the stickers feature. Here you can add various stickers such as a logo or the name of your channel. For example, I'll use a sticker with my channel name to personalize the video further. Next, we go to the hook option. Here, you can add a hook to grab the viewer's attention at the beginning of the video. For example, I'll write, "How much YouTube paid me," and position it in a spot where all viewers can easily see it. After that, I adjust the timing for the hook and the sticker to appear within the first 3 seconds of the video. Once everything is finalized, simply click Share. This button allows you to download your video or publish it directly on your TikTok page or YouTube channel. So guys, I invite you to try NexusClips.